Digital inclusion is about people having the skills, the confidence and the access to get online in an increasingly digital world. I first met Jason and Lauren at the end of 2023. Myself and a colleague attended an outreach event held by Gypsies and Travellers Wales where they were able to kind of talk through some of the bigger, more overwhelming barriers that the community face on a day-to-day basis.
Well, I enjoy meeting people, I enjoy working with people, and just watching people achieve, I suppose, watching people grow, their confidence, their skills, and people often come to the organisation with some kind of problem, and it's nice to sit down with those, work out a solution, and watch them achieve that.
Cwmpas a really good company. They've given us so much help. They've done some training with us, obviously provided the iPads, given us information. So they've been a really good company. They're always there if we need help to be reached out to. So yeah, they've made our life a lot easier.
Meeting Jason and Lauren for the first time, we were able to provide some digital training and have a chat about how they were going to embed digital inclusion with Gypsies and Travellers Wales. And then from that work, we were able to get some funding to continue working with members of the Gypsy, Roma and Traveller community up until June 2025.
My name is Terry McDonough. I'm from the Irish Travelling community. So I've been helping with Jason, trying to do my driving licence theory test, because in the travelling community is a big thing to us. We're always on the move, so we need to drive. Really, I can't do it. I've tried and tried and tried for years. I can't do it. We need the extra help because we struggle using the iPads, we struggle reading and writing, so they give us extra support to help us.
So Terry, yes. So Terry came to our service a few months back asking for support around his driver theory. He is engaged incredibly well with the process, and he is on his way to hopefully pass very soon.
I come here like 2 or 3 times a week. They helped me with my theory, and then they loaned me an iPad to go home from the other days when I'm at home. They showed me how to, they've set it all up for me.
So working with community members such as Terry, it's an absolute pleasure to be a part of that journey, you know. And so the support that we were able to offer him is really valuable to him. And from my perspective, it's just lovely to see somebody kind of grow. And then when you start seeing that kind of switch change, you know, and people start to get it, and then you can see their scores, you know, improving, and they're kind of passing each time. Yeah, it's really rewarding.
Or listen, they won't just help you, they'll show you how to do it as well. Learn you, so you can do it yourself in the long term. Some of them don't ask, but like, you know, and some of them will, but I'm one of them people, if I need help, I'll ask.
So part of the next 12 months for us is about reaching out to more organisations that work with this community and helping them to embed digital inclusion within their own support. We're here to work with organisations that work with and alongside members of the community so that we can listen and learn and co-create solutions that will hopefully help community members meet their needs.
Well, yeah, so more funding would mean more laptops, more tablets, we can reach more people and make more change.
We should help them, give them funding, because it's a good place. They help us, like, to make our life easier. I reckon they should have more places like this, and this place is brilliant.